Hey everyone, it's Chris at Line Punch Forge. I've got something exciting, and it's right here in my pants. It's a check. This check is from PMRS, or Precious Metal Refining. Rather than just tell you what they gave me, I like to do something different, because I'm different. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to do a giveaway. Everybody likes free stuff, right? You're going to probably be watching this either on IGTV or the YouTube. And what I'd like you to do is subscribe, if you haven't already, down somewhere in this area, general, or this probably right here, little red subscribe button on YouTube. Once you do that, leave a comment below that red button on this video, and that will enter you into winning. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? I know I am. So, first order of business is the big one. No, let's not go big first. Let's go smaller and then go big. So, here we go. Smaller. This is a 3D printed saw blade holder that has all your different sizes of saw blades on here, right on there. And so that you, like me here, I have mine all organized. I can see how many I got. I can see whether I need to order them. And it's got this rotary top on it so that you can like pick which flavor you want, pop it out, and there's your saw blade. Now the key to this is being organized. So organize yourself. Number 2, it should be the most important out of any of this stuff. Lube. You need lube. This happens to be Burr Life for, saw blades. Do you see where this is going? I know I am, because I'm doing it. So what you have here, a little attachment screw base for holding your Burr Life. Now, these little Burr Lifes pop right into that container, and this little cover comes off. So you can attach this to your bench or your bench pin or your forehead or something so that you can lube your saw blade before you use it. So this is super handy. So I got 4 of these little lube containers, 1 attachment base, and wait for it, a green line saw frame. So all of this will go to the person who guesses the closest to this number in this envelope. Whoever gets the closest, bam, all that stuff. So to reiterate, you're watching this video right now either on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook. Head over to the Line Punch Forge YouTube channel, hit subscribe, share it, because sharing is caring. Leave a comment. Leave a comment about what kind of video do you want to see. That's what I'd like to see. Leave a comment about what kind of video you'd like to see coming up. I need some ideas, you need some free stuff, and let's do this together. So, we're all home, we're all in quarantine, we've got nothing better to do. You guys might as well guess the right number. When is this going to stop? Well, it's going to stop when I get 2,000 subscribers. So, if you want your free stuff, help me out. Get some 2,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 1,600 right now. So, that's, for those of you who are decent at math, that's 400 more people, generally. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to run an analytic program through the comments and select the winner, which will be the person who guesses closest to that number. So feel free to add in change. So if it's like, I think you got $10.52, that's your answer, throw it down in the comments. And put in what kind of video you'd like to see. So, to break this down, how much do you think that check is for? And what kind of video do you want to see? Those are the two criteria. Two criteria down in the comments. How much is that check? What kind of video you want to see? You do that, you're entered. And don't forget, this happens at 400 more subscribers. 2K. So, the faster we make that happen, the less people are going to see that video, and the better chance of you getting a win. So, be nice to your neighbor, do something for somebody in need, and don't forget to wash your hands. See you soon.